Hi children, let us continue our ACT class, chapter 9. Okay, in that we want to study the different players. Which are the children? Genome player, application, sound and video. In that let us see which are the players here. Genome player, M player. Look here, where is that? SM player you can see here children. Then the next VLC media player. Then Zin. Where is Zin? Is XIN, Zin. Okay. Then Genome M player. M player is here. SM player is here children. M player where Genome ALSA mixer is here. Audacious is here. Audacity is here. This is your software which you need to study. Okay. Let us open each of that and view how is that performing. Okay. Children, in our first activity 9.1 listening and enjoying the poem. Which poem? In student work 8 there is a poem Puduvarsha. Okay, let us open that. Okay, how is that we need to open children? From home we need to open school resources. School resources where children? School resources. School resources standard 8. After that audio files, isn't it? Audio files. From there puduvarsham.mp3. Look there. Okay, how is in your textbook according to that you can see here. Isn't it children? That is playing here. Okay, that Puduvarsham song is playing there children. You can hear that. If I am once more I will show you children. From starting onwards it is here.
അമ്മ പറഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം ആവേലി നാടുവാണിടും കാലം പാടി പൂനുള്ളിപ്പോയ പൊന്നോണക്കാലം.
Let us pause that. We have no time children to listen completely that. Okay. You know that which software is this? Audacious. Audacious. Can you see the name? In the title bar you can see Audacious. I showed you that. Isn't it? This is used for just playing this music. Okay. Playing this music you can see it. Look here, we can increase or decrease the volume like that. Buttons are here. Play, pause, add another file, etc. is here. Okay. Let us just close that. Look here. The other players we need to open. Which are they? SM player we can open children through this way. We can open this file through SM player. Open with the other application. Audacious is here you can see. The first one is Audacious. After that right click, open with the other application. Select. Here you can see the different players which is recommended applications. Which are the recommended applications? That means which are the applications you can select for playing these files. Okay. Look here, which we need to SM player we can open children because that is the first one and selected. Do you see its appearance? How is that? SM player? Its appearance is this way children. Here also you have
നിശ്ചയമമ്മയോടൊത്തു തന്നെ മുറ്റത്തിനൈശ്വര്യം ചാർത്തുമപ്പൂക്കളോടൊപ്പമെന്നമ്മയും തുമ്പ പോലെ. മുറ്റത്തിനൈശ്വര്യം ചാർത്തുമപ്പൂക്കളോടൊപ്പം എന്നമ്മയും തുമ്പ പോലെ.
Okay, let us take the another one. Let us take the another player, children. Puduvarsham, right click, open with other application, assembler is selected, Zin we can select it. Do you see? Each and every
അമ്മ പറഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം. ആവേലി നാടുവാണിടും കാലം പാടി പൂനുള്ളിപ്പോയ പൊന്നോണക്കാലം.
Okay. Next, let us take open with other application. Which one? Audacious we take as a players in VLC Media Player. Select. Okay. Here also we have facilities to decrease. Look here. Increase.
അപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം.
From here, let us
ആവേലി
study how we can.
നാടുവാണിടും കാലം പാടി.
From here we can study how we can change the sound settings. Look here, children. Sound settings. Do you see this? Output only and this much is now. If we decrease here, how it is hearing, let us see. Do you see now?
അതിനപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം.
Okay.
ആവേലി നാടുവാണിടും
Let us
കാലം.
reduce this word. Okay. Next, this is the input. What I am saying you can hear, children. Do you see? What I am saying, according to that the sound variations, can you see here? Because the microphone now working. You understand that? Okay. Internal microphone, built-in audio now working because it is the laptop. Okay. Next player, let us take. I am closing this, children. Next, which one? Let us take. Open with other application. We take now how many? We will see media players in assembler, Audacious, videos, media player, Audacity. All these are here. You can Rhythm Box. That is one of the software said in your textbook. Select it. Rhythm Box now opening. Okay. Look here. How is that?
അമ്മ പറഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം. ആവേലി നാടുവാണിടും കാലം പാടി പൂനുള്ളിപ്പോയ പൊന്നോണക്കാലം.
These different types of players are here, children. According to that, it's a settings also different. Okay. These are the softwares what is said in this textbook. You study this well. Okay. Next, arrangements of mics and sounds. That I showed you. From here, you can take sound settings and you can arrange the input and output volume. Headphones are now connected. Look here. This way you can arrange, increase or decrease the sound. In input volume also, that way you can increase or decrease. Okay. If I increased or decreased, sometimes you cannot hear. That is why I keep that here. Look here children, this is the sound settings window. Sound effects, if you want you can change applications, custom now, recording now. Okay, that which one I take. That way you can understand children. Okay. Next, arrangements of mic settings. Here what is saying children, where we needs to input the microphone. Look here, in any of the computer or laptop or anything, you can see this icon for inserting mic, icon for microphone. And mainly if that is a desktop computer, you can see in the pink color for that slot. Okay, these colors all of you understand children. This is line in and this is line out. If we want to insert one sound into the computer, we want to give here, and we want to take the output from the computer, we want to keep here. That means the speaker we needs to connect to the line out. Okay, and microphone you want to connect in the slot of the microphone. There you can see the symbol of the microphone children. Don't worry about that. Okay. Yes. Look here. Here is saying that connect the microphone to the audio input port of the computer. You can see here the audio input icon, mic's icon. Click on audio applet icon. This is the audio applet icon, you know. And on the top panel of the desktop screen and the sound settings option, sound settings now. Now drag the slides of the sliders in the input and output tabs and make suitable settings to this. What is here saying that we see, isn't it children? This window we see here this way, isn't it? Input, output, like that we see, and I showed you. Okay. Next, audio recording. Okay, audio recording devices is saying here about a gramophone or phonograph. This is the one of the oldest device, you know, isn't it? Okay, all of you read that portion children. The next, Audacity. Audacity, an open source audio editor for audio editing. Similarly, specific softwares are needed to record a poem in the computer. This type. Audacity, Adobe Audition, Goldwave, Acid Pro are various software that help conduct audio version of these. We use Audacity. All these are the audio editing softwares. All of you study these softwares children. And which one we are using? We are using Audacity. I showed you before that. Which is a free software. I said in the 10th chapter what is the meaning of free software and what is the meaning of property software, etc. Okay, you understand that. It is a free software which is available in GNU Linux. GNU Linux is also a free software, you know. Okay, who developed Audacity? Dominic Massoni and Roger Dannenberg developed an open source audio editor software in the year 1999 as part of their research project. Okay, you understand that. Next, Audacity. How we want to start recording? We first our activity is listening the poem that we finished. Now we want to start recording through Audacity software. Is it clear children? Let us do that. Okay. How we needs to record our sound. After that editing the poem is the next activity. Okay. Application sound and video. Where is Audacity, children? First onwards we see. Where is that? Let us once more. Okay. It is not, we don't want. By mistake that happened. Sound and video, Audacity. Audacity is opening, children. Do you see the icon? Okay, this is the Audacity window. Here you can see different tools for editing. What is this? Play. This is for recording. This is for pausing the record. All these buttons you are familiar with, isn't it, children? You are familiar with all these buttons. Here you can see some of the tools which we are using for editing purpose. Okay, selection tool, etc. Is it clear, children? How we want to edit, that we can see. Activity 9.2, listen, start recording. Let us start recording. Open Audacity software, press record button for audio version in transport toolbar and recite a poem, a wave form of record sound. Recorded sound can be seen. Press the record button for audio version in transport toolbar. Where is that, children? The toolbar's name also all of you study, transport tool. Okay. This is the record button. Let us record anything. Okay. I am opening that. After that I am clicking that, children. School resources, standard 8th audio files, പുതു വർഷം.
അമ്മ പറഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം, ആവേലി നാടുവാണിടും കാലം പാടി പൂനുള്ളിപ്പോയ പൊന്നോണക്കാലം. അമ്മ പറഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ.
Look here, children. What is happened? You know that. What is happened here? I opened one software and after that I started the recording. Do you see now the recordings here? Let us play that.
പറഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം, ആവേലി നാടുവാണിടും കാലം പാടി പൂനുള്ളിപ്പോയ പൊന്നോണക്കാലം.
Listen here, children. I showed you how you want to record. This is the record button. This is the pause recording. Okay, that means stop recording. Then after that we play the music. After recording we are using this for playing. After that for stopping or pausing the play, here we click there. Okay. After that we click there and it is finished. Do you understand now, children? This is known as the timeline, children. Timeline, where we are watching or viewing this recording. This line is known as the timeline. Where we are clicking, there onwards it will play. Okay. Let us take the move tool. This way you can select. Do you see now? Select any portion. How much you need, that much you can select, children. Okay. These are the tools for different activities. It is for editing. It is for zooming. You know. This is for draw tool. This is for time shift, envelope, multi tools, copy, Then paste. Anywhere you want to copy and paste, you can cut and paste the different portions from anywhere to anywhere. Okay children, let us study the balance.